Hello, in this video I want to show you how to check your sleeping statistics on ICE RING. To do this, first you will need to open ICE RING app. Inside, select this section right here. Then you'll be able to find the sleep activity, or actually statistics. You can scroll through them to see all of the options. And also we can check it for daily, weekly, and monthly options. You can also click on the calendar in the top right corner of the screen to see it for the individual days. So for example, we can check the 1st of June and it should open. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.